Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Ma'am Annisa Astrid, as a lecturer of this subject, I am Firsta Belingga, and today I would like to explain the detail about the table of test specification of each language skills that we as teachers are going to test. Before we start, let me introduce our group members. There are Firsta Belingga, Anggi Try Oktaviana, and then Endri Efitri. So, this is the example of test specification table that I'm going to explain today. So, the first I'm going to explain is about events and activities, gaining information from textbook. And the models of this test is to measure reading skills. There are reading for plot and topic, searching for specific items of information, and then understanding description and expression. And this channels for this activities is textbook, and then the topic area is asking for attention, checking understanding, showing appreciation, and then asking and giving opinion. And the suitable test tasks or formats of these activities is to identify the expressions of asking for attention, checking understanding, showing appreciation, and then asking and giving opinion through the dialogue, scanning, skimming, and then multiple choice. Okay, the second activities that I want to explain is about gaining information from non-book. So there are following for gist, audio, text, and YouTube video. The models of these activities is to measure listening skills. And then the second is understanding the expressions. This is to measuring listening skills too, and then appreciating words of the video. This activities is to measure listening and speaking skills. And the channels of these activities is audio, text, and YouTube video. And the topic area is giving appreciation and asking and giving opinion. The suitable test tasks or formats is to identify main and supporting topic to get specific information, complete the blank space of the dialogue. The formats of this test can be multiple choice, matching, and true-false. Well, I think that's all from me. For the next table of test specification will be explained by Endri and Anggi. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Endri Efitri with name 2030-205100. Today I want to explain in a little more detail how to create one of the test specification tables for the corresponding with writers of English skills that we will assess as English teachers. Yes, see the third example. This is an example of a language test specification for an ability test corresponding with writers of English. You can see here the model is a combination of listening, reading, speaking, and writing. Yes, and the channel is face-to-face, textbooks, audiovisual, so the means to test students is track this material. It's okay, what must be considered is the distribution of an activity. Subject area, you must ensure that the two aspects are events and activities, and subject area must be in accordance with your curriculum as stipulated in the 2013 curriculum. Let's see part of events and activities corresponding with writers of English. Writing simple text from the audio, listen to the audio and pronounce the given sentence correctly, analyze expression correctly, and the last make the conversation text provide information related to giving instruction. And the models used are listening to a combination of writing, listening to a combination of speaking, reading a combination of writing, and finally writing models. And the channel used is face-to-face, textbook, and audiovisual. Then in the topic area, you have to adapt it to the school syllabus and what books are used by students to study, such as the example I took from the 8th grade junior high school student page book in chapter 3, which is about giving and response instruction, giving and response invitation, giving and response prohibition, and ask for permission. And the last part of the specification test, there is a test format. You can identify structure, text, and elements language for doing social function of expression of giving instruction, invite, prohibit, ask permission, as well as how the response is appropriate with context use and according to the teaching materials you use. Okay, that's all I can explain. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anggi Try Oktaviana and my student ID number is 2020-205089. Here I will explain about specification test for the last chapter 4. As you can see in first column is about events and activities, is about corresponding with writers of English that include reading for topic, understanding information related to invitation cards, writing personal letters of invitation card and greeting cards. The model of this specification test is reading and writing. The media or channels of the specification task is printed from material. The topic of this task is invitation of current events like birthday party, weddings, and others, and greetings. So because the models of this task is about reading skill and writing skill, so the format of task or suitable tasks is subjective and objective. The objective of reading is identified to get specific information, answering question related to the inviting card that probably given on prints from, and the last is subjective. Student will write invitation card and greeting cards. Well, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright, we were explained about the test specification. We hope you understand and can make your own test specification for your students. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.